Mali ba?
Mali? It's a prank.
Grabe!
Ano lahat?
Tayo sa sarili nating mundo.
Hi. So, I was wondering, pwede pa ka ako mga apply kang KZ o kang TJ Monterde basin makapas pa ko sa 100,000. But kidding aside, kaning lahang video is an example of what we call a Pygmalion effect. No? Although dili man kailangan nga mag-involve jud og kwarta, like for this case 100,000, but it can be anything. It can be trust, it can be a cheer, it can be a simple support, no? It can be a simple reward. Kani sila ang kailangan in order for a person to be inspired. There is a theory that we call a Pygmalion effect. According to the Pygmalion effect, it says that people are motivated when he or she feels that he is also being supported by the people that surrounds them. No, so sa ani nga scenario, kung ang people nga nagpalibot sa imuha mapatrabaho, mapa-relationship or mapa-family, kung ang people ga support o ga motivate sa imuha, gahatag og positive vibes, it will also help you do positive things. It will also help you become resourceful, become productive, and become effective sa tanan nimong buhat. So hopefully ingani ang dagan sa tuang kinabuhi from time to time. No, let's not be a toxic person to others. Let us be their motivation as well.
Keep going.